Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to protect a Google Sheet but still allow edits in specific columns. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's say you've got sensitive data, like formulas or reference tables that you want to lock down, but you still want users to fill out certain columns like status or comments. Here's how to do it. First, select the entire sheet by clicking on the top left corner box. Then go to Data, then click on Protect Sheets and Ranges. Give it a name like Lock Everything and click Set Permissions. Choose only you if you don't want others editing it. But here's the trick. Before locking the whole sheet, you need to exclude the columns you want editable. Protect the full sheet but uncheck the box that says Accept certain cells. Add columns D and E to the exception list. And that's it. This setup locks everything except the columns you chose. Now your sheet is secure but is still functional for user input. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.